Fantastic.
Welcome up to the dusty road. I'm going to start speaking before Captain Kirk starts singing about the itself is right down in the bottom. You will see a bit of greenery down there.
Yeah.
So there must be some water.
Enter from this side, and later on you will see some of the places, and water almost circling the mountain to get.
BC was also invaded, not by the Assyrians, but this time by the Babylonians. And the Jews of Judah, Samaria, because they felt that they were tainted, having intermarried with the people that they... And yet, as we focused on last night, you saw fit to send your Son, the Lord Jesus, to die for a people like us. Sulfur in the air. Deuteronomy, it's referred to as the Sea of the arid. 5 millimeters of water is evaporated every 24 hours. And so because of this, the salt concentrations build up. Salt and the mineral content of the water is very, very high. Distances. The Dead Sea is about 40 miles long from top to bottom. At its widest point, by the way, way up in Galilee, is when we get to En-Gedi, although you've got these date palms, pass a number of pools and waterfalls, and so later on in the day, and especially